and all you're doing is literally copying and pasting, right? So what's going on, fam? Eric ELLIS here, coming to you live from paradise in my Bali, Indonesian villa. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to run profitable campaigns on Clickbank simply by copying and pasting. Let's get right into it. What's going on, Will? So let's go ahead and get right into the good stuff, right? So this is actually a pretty simple method. You guys are literally just going to go ahead and follow these 3 simple steps. The first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is actually find an offer on Clickbank, right? So the way that we're going to do that is, first and foremost, if you guys don't have a Clickbank account, you're simply going to go to clickbank.com, and at the top right, there's going to be the ability to actually create an account. And for those who don't know what Clickbank is, basically featured products, right? There's so many different products that you guys can actually find and promote in the affiliate marketplace. And basically these products, for example, right, we're just going to go ahead and actually filter by gravity score. But if you look at categories here, there's health and fitness, there's so many different categories, but we're going to go and stick with health, wealth, and romance. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and actually filter by the gravity score by clicking this button right here. And basically, when you go ahead and actually click this button, it's going to go ahead and talk about the most popular recommended products. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and actually filter by gravity score. So basically, we're going to find which products are getting the most sales within the last week, right? So basically, for example, Lefty Talks has had 508 affiliates who have generated money with this product within the last week. Cinderella Solution has 312 affiliates who have generated a sale with this product within the last week. Hakiki Diabetes, so on and so forth. So these are the top Clickbank affiliate offers. Obviously, if they're working for other people, they can work for you too. So what we're gonna do is, number one, we're gonna go ahead and actually find a Clickbank offer. So the best way to go ahead and actually find a Clickbank offer is you want to go ahead and actually do a couple of things. Number one, and this is for beginners, right? I would just go ahead and actually, as a beginner, start with finding if it has a high gravity score, because then you know people are already being successful with this actual product. Second thing that you want to go ahead and do to actually find out if this is a product that you should be promoting is actually look at the marketing material. And what do I mean by the marketing material? Watch the sales video. If you watch the sales video and this isn't something that you would go ahead and sell to your grandma or your mother or your brother or any family member, you should not promote the product, right? So this one's pretty good looking product. It doesn't look all spammy looking. It doesn't look all scammy. So I would actually go ahead, and if I believe that this could go ahead and help somebody, one of my family members who was trying to lose weight, I'll go ahead and actually promote this. So for an example, a good product to promote would potentially be like Lefty Talks, right? And then another one, maybe Cinderella Solutions. So what we're going to do here is we're finding a Clickbank offer. That's the first thing that we're going to do. So the second thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and actually go to the affiliate area. Now, basically, another way that you'll know if it's a good offer, right, is if they have an affiliate area. So basically on Clickbank, you'll notice they have this little section that says affiliate page. Now, all of the top affiliate offers are going to have this affiliate page because they want you to win as an affiliate. So with that being said, they're literally going to go in and give you copy paste materials where you can literally just copy these marketing materials that are already proven to work and literally just paste it, right? So for example, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look at Cinderella Solution, and I'm going to go to the affiliate page, and I'm going to go ahead and actually find the affiliate page, which is basically step number 2. So wasn't that easy, right? We found the affiliate page. Now this the third step right here is to copy and paste the marketing materials, right? So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and wait for that to actually load up, and then we're going to go ahead and just start going over the copy paste profit materials that they actually have for you. So I'm not going to go ahead and actually put my real email in here. I'll just go ahead and do 123@gmail.com. And then we'll press submit. And if you guys look here, there's your links, banners, Facebook ad kit, email swipes, miscellaneous, right? So me personally, I want 2 things, right? I want to go ahead and actually run paid ads to this. And then aside from my paid ads, I want to go ahead and I need a landing page, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get the Facebook ad conversion kit, right? So there's literally a call to action button. If I want to go to the Facebook ad kit, it's going to go and actually scroll me down, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually import right? Click here to import is literally this simple if you guys already have a ClickFunnels account. I'm gonna click here to import this actual funnel just to show you how easy this is. Like, this is literally copy and paste. So we're gonna wait for that to load. So what's gonna happen is it says CSQ version 2 Facebook compliant. All I'm gonna do is press add funnel to my ClickFunnels account. So I already have a ClickFunnels account, so I'm literally just gonna go and actually add the marketing materials. Literally copy and paste, right? I didn't even have to copy and paste, to be honest with you guys. I literally just clicked the button and it imported it. So while that's loading, okay, step number 1 complete. We have a landing page. Step number 2 is we're gonna go ahead and actually need Facebook ad images, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and actually click here to get access to these ad images. So these are basically Facebook ad images. So just to show you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and actually click right here. I like the way that this looks. I'm gonna download that image. I like this image too. I'm gonna download this image, and then I like this one too. I'm gonna download this image. So now we have 3 Facebook ads, or Facebook ad images, right? So we have the landing page, check. Now we have 3 Facebook ad images, check. Now it's time to go ahead and copy paste the actual ad copy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and actually scroll down, and then we have 3 forms of Facebook ads copy, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and actually open up a Google Drive. I'm gonna do it in the same Google Drive document that we're using for this image actually, right? Because we're doing step number 3 right now. So ads image. So I like the way that this ad copy looks. So this is what the ad copy is going to look like. I'll just give you guys an example, but just for time's sake, I'm not going to do all of these, but we'll use one form of ad copy, and then I'll go and actually explain something to you guys in a second. So another thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually insert an image. So I'm going to upload from computer, and then I'm going to go to laptop and wine. I'm going to press OK. All right, cool. So this is what the actual ad is going to kind of look like, right? So basically, we're going to go ahead and actually create a Facebook ad, right? So according to Stanford Medical, is really the only reason this country's women live 10 years longer and weigh on average 42 pounds lighter than us. And by the way, it's nothing to do with genetics or some secret exercise, and everything to do with how they eat. By the way, I said how, not what. Tap the image below to see if this short quiz can help you unlock your true weight loss potential. And this is going to go ahead and be the image that captures their attention. And then what they're going to do is they're going to go ahead and actually click the call to action button or the call to action link on your Facebook ad. Now let's go ahead and actually view the funnel that I just downloaded. So I literally just copy and pasted this, guys. So what I'm going to do now is, this is the actual ad, or excuse me, the actual landing page that I'm going to be using, which is a quiz landing page. Now I'm going to tell you guys a couple of things. I'm not going to do it just for time's sake, but the first thing that I would do is I would go ahead and actually switch out this domain name instead of having this long, ugly domain name. I don't want to send people to a weight loss offer that says wolfsacademy.clickfunnels.com. So I would use like weightlosshacks.com. I would create a custom domain, and then I would go ahead and actually connect that custom domain. If you guys want to know how to connect a custom domain name with ClickFunnels, go ahead and figure it out. Go to Google, go to YouTube. Next is, at the end of quiz number 7, or excuse me, at the end of the actual quiz, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and scroll up, and I want to go ahead and get the actual the hop links, right? So I'm going to go ahead and go like right here, and this is the link that I would put at the end of the quiz, right? So I'm going to go ahead and actually add one, right? So basically, I would go ahead and actually put this at the end of the quiz. I'm not going to, but just to make sure it works, we're going to go ahead and actually paste this. So if you notice, the hop link is Health Uni, so we're going to make sure that I get paid. So let's just say hypothetically, I use like a link shortener or something along those lines. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually put my link. So I really don't need that link anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and actually put my link here. And this is going to go ahead and actually be like, let's just say, above the actual ad. All right, so this is basically what the Facebook ad will look like, right, guys? So we're going to go ahead and actually have the Facebook ad. They're going to go and actually read the ad copy. They're going to see the image. They're going to want to take action. And then we're going to be sending them to this link. But obviously, guys, I would use a custom domain name. Then what they're going to do is they're going to go ahead and actually click this link here. And once they click this link, they're going to go and actually go to the landing page. Now, what are some things to actually take account? Number one, you didn't create the landing page. Number two, you didn't create the ad. And all you're doing is literally copying and pasting, right? So we have the first thing, question number one, question number two. All right, so I probably fast forwarded towards the end, which is question number 7. And we're gonna go ahead and actually make sure when we go ahead and actually submit question number 7 on the quiz that it actually redirects to my affiliate offer, right? So we're gonna go ahead and actually wait, check that out, and then I'll go ahead and actually make sure that it's working. Question number 7, I'm gonna say I'm 18 to 19 or 30 to 40, whatever. So click here for your instructions. Okay, so actually that's what I'm gonna have to do. So that link that I had, quiz number 7, let me go ahead and actually show you guys how to update that. So we're gonna go to quiz number 7 because it's actually a pop-up, so it's probably not gonna go ahead and actually redirect to my affiliate link. So I'm gonna edit page, and then if I go back to settings and go to general, we're gonna go ahead and grab that affiliate link that I created earlier. So I'm gonna grab this link. I'm actually gonna go ahead and actually cut it and paste it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to the pop-up settings, and I'm gonna go ahead and do show pop-up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and actually change this link right here and set action, and then we're gonna go ahead and actually put my affiliate link here, right? I don't know if you guys saw what I just did there, but I just literally just opened up the pop-up. So now in the actual funnel, right, the next time that I test the funnel, but just for time's sake, the next time that I test the funnel, it's gonna go ahead and click here for video instructions, and then it's gonna go ahead and actually redirect them to my affiliate link. Now, because I did not refresh this or re-go through this, it's gonna go ahead and actually go to the link that they already have in there. That's why it says hop equals 0. But if I was to go ahead and actually refresh it, it would say hop, and then it would have my ID. But if you guys notice there, guys, we have a successful campaign. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be targeting women above the age of 35 years old, and then things that people who are trying to lose weight who would be interested in. So for example, the last thing that I'm going to talk about is kind of like if I was to do a Facebook ad, I would do like targeting, and then I would do like Weight Watchers. I would do fitness, weight loss, so on and so forth, guys. And basically, as you guys start finding these audiences, you'll find winning audiences. As you guys start testing these different ad images they give you, you'll find winning ad images. As you start testing these different texts, you'll go ahead and have a winning text. So what you're gonna do is you wanna go ahead and have the secret to running Facebook ads is basically like, I'm gonna say winning combinations. And I like to call it my AAA method, which is basically adverts, right? Angles and audiences. So basically, the angles have been created for us, the adverts have been created for us, the landing pages have been created for us. Now we just literally have to go ahead and test different audiences, right? So test these different marketing angles and adverts in front of these different audiences, and then we'll find a profitable campaign. Now, for those who are probably wondering, well, how much should my daily budget be, right? If you're not able to spend $30 a day, keep it moving, right? All those gurus out there who say, yeah, you can start with $5 a day, tell them to kick rocks, right? Because they're just lying to you. You're not going to have realistic results if you're not spending a minimum of $30 per day. Because guys, what is your ideal income, right? If you were to spend $30 a day and get $60 in commissions, right? One sale per day, that's a really good marketing campaign. So again, if you're not giving Facebook enough data, right, to generate one sale per day, you're really not giving it enough data, right? So realistically, you should be spending like $100 a day on ads, so that way you can get $200 per day in revenue and $100 per day in profit minimum, just to start out and then scale up. But if you guys are like knowing what's like the bare minimum, guys, if you're not able to actually get a sale per day, then save up a budget. And then once you save up a budget, then go ahead and actually start with $30 per day. And then you should be looking for 15 days, right? So basically 15 days times 30, right? So 15 times 30 is basically $750. So if you have $750 to play with, right, then you can start doing Facebook ads. Now, with that being said, some people are like, God damn it, Eric, you just went through this whole training and say I need $750 to actually do this. Yes. So if you don't have $750, start saving up some money. Then you guys can go ahead and actually apply this copy paste profit method. But it's super simple. It's find a Clickbank offer, go to the affiliate area, and literally copy and paste the marketing materials. Now, if you guys want to know more about Facebook ads, and you want more mentorship, you want an inner circle group and a community to help you be successful, and a six-figure mentor that can go ahead and help you reverse engineer what I did to go from dead broke, not getting any results online, to literally living my dream desired lifestyle, go ahead and actually click the first link in the description or the link in my bio if you're watching on Instagram, and get access to my mentorship. I'll go ahead and actually hop on a call with you, see if it's a good fit for you. Now, there's only so many people I can speak to on the phone with, so first come, first serve, and we'll talk about getting you up profitable campaigns, and I'll help you transition from employee to entrepreneur. So if you guys want to know actually more in depth about Facebook ads and basically just all the materials you guys will need to be successful, click the first link in the description or the link in my bio. Take action, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. What's going on, fam? Glad you get to see my beautiful face again. So again, if you guys want access to my mentorship, click the first link in the description or the link in my bio. Currently shooting this from my villa in Bali, Indonesia, paid for by affiliate marketing commissions. And right, if you guys want more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell to be notified every time I drop some new heat. And look forward to seeing you guys on the next video, right? So with that being said, take action. Click the link in the bio or the link in the description or the link below. There's going to be a link somewhere around here that you can take action, work with me personally. First come, first serve. So that way I can teach you how to live the laptop lifestyle. This is where I work. This is where I just shot the video. When I wake up in the morning, right, I work out. I got my villa here, private pool, beautiful freaking jungle vibes in Bali, Indonesia, and all paid for by internet money, right? Don't you want to escape from corporate slavery, escape from the shackles, and not have to trade your time for money and literally be able to work a couple hours per day and make more money than you could ever imagine? Of course you do, right? So click the link in the bio, link in the description, link down below, somewhere around here, take action, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.